In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with a Walmart gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to redeem your Walmart gift card and purchase anything available on their stores. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this online through the website, but you can absolutely do this through the mobile app if you prefer. All that you have to do is add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. So choose any item available on Walmart and add the items to your cart. Make sure that the sum total of your order is covered by the gift card. So the amount that is on the gift card needs to be enough to cover for this order. So once you add all of the items, click on the cart icon and proceed to checkout. Like I said, you can do this through the website as I'm doing here, so just follow along, or through the mobile app. Set up the shipping address, the shipping instructions, and now once you reach the payment method, the only field here is the card number. All that you have to do is input the number of the gift card and it will automatically give you the option to select Walmart gift card. So as you can see on the payment methods that they accept, one of the payment methods included is Walmart gift card. It's as simple as filling out the card number and then you can choose it from the list. So input the number here and then select Walmart gift card. You will also have the option to use an EBT card, benefit card, and WIC, but for this video, choose Walmart gift card. Then input the PIN. As you can see, they give you instructions. On a physical gift card, the PIN is going to be at the back. If you have an e-gift card, it is going to be on the confirmation email. If you don't have a PIN, click on this option here, and they are going to give you instructions on what to do. So it's as simple as inputting the card number, the PIN, and then proceeding. Sadly, I don't have a Walmart gift card at hand at the moment, but you will be able to continue and confirm this order. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with a Walmart gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.